Afternoon. Welcome to the world best RV place in the world, guarantee, in Junction City, Oregon. Gary Christian serving you since July of 1981. Boy, we had some fun here. We got more fun in store. That's what we do here, is have fun by going and traveling. We're with the North Trail Caliber Edition rear lounge. This one's different though. I want you to see it. Come on back here. We're going to work our way to the back door. All aluminum frame, block insulation. It's a real tight unit. And it's got the new step right. Very rock solid step. When you get on this, there's no bouncing around. It's a nice designed step. Very nice floor plan, rear lounge, but let's go up front in the bedroom and work our way back, because this has got some very interesting features that I really appreciate. So, got a queen bed up here, and as you see, I've opened up the door. If you need to come in and out, you don't have to walk through your unit. You can come right in the door. And if you need to leave real quick, it's right there. Good countertops, cubbies, storage on both sides, electrical outlets. Got hanging space, storage all the way across the front. Storage at the foot of the bed, and of course there's a full pass-through from the outside, which we'll get. It's got a slider door that comes across. It's got a TV backer over here if you want a TV in the bedroom. Bring your TV, your bracket in, and I'll get it installed for you. Did you ever see a nicer bathroom than this? Nice, big, and open. It's got a nice big shower. Skylight for good headroom. Little flexible there. Good storage. Good, nice counter space. Little medicine cabinet. You do have your control panel in here, so if you're in this area, you can turn everything on and off. And it's got good storage for all your towels, washcloths, etc. I know, it's never enough. Dometic refrigerator, double door. They even were kind enough to put a little storage area here rather than just boxing over it, which would have been a lot less money for them to make. You've got nice little trays here, which you can take out if you want. Solid surface countertop. Got double, big sink, deep stainless sink. Got to go down under. There we go. Thermostat control, air conditioning and heating is right here. Storage up above. Flush stovetop, which lifts up and back to access your 3 burners. And the rest of the time you can use it as countertop space. Good storage down below, enough room to put a nice wastebasket. Nice little oven. Microwave up on top. And there's not enough room to make a convection. So you've got a nice big entertainment, TV center, plenty of storage. Nice storage down below. Tabletops on both sides, electrical outlets, and the U-shaped dinette with storage all across the top. Cathedral style ceiling. It gives it a nice open, about 3 or 4 more inches inside room, which is really nice. So these are equipped with a rack on the back that you can take this pin, put it down, and lock it in place. So if you had some wood or something you wanted to bring secured, tied down to this, you could drop this down and put it on it and unload it when you get to camp and probably use it all up. Or if you had an extra cooler or something, it'd be good. You've got a backup camera up on top, and if you like, our service department can hook you up with that. Wire right into your tow vehicle. Cable hookup, power cord hookup. This, of course, is your service entrance for your refrigerator and the vent. Dump tanks are down below here. Outdoor shower, hot and cold water, city, black water flush. Nice little cubby, and you notice on the other side, it's a big door. Lots of storage. Twin 5-gallon tanks. We provide 2 batteries with any unit with a slide out. We have your starter kit that has your hoses and everything you'd need. I know you've got a question or two. Oh, heck, who else would you call than the guy that did the video? Give me a call at 541-554-9581. Thank you.